Today's power word for your resume is honest. What does it mean? How does it appear on your resume? How do you use it to make your resume powerful? Let's look at these and more. Hi there, welcome to TELW, the English Workshop, with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of resume vocabulary videos, we're going to look at power words that will make your resume stand out in the crowd. Remember, all power words are action words. They increase your chance of moving on to the next level in the hiring process. We are going to look at 4 things here: meaning, what the word really says and what you wish to say, how to make these power words work for you, how to use them practically. Be careful though, do not flood your resume with these power words. They will go wrong. Support your claims with your achievements. An honest person is always trustworthy, reliable, and sincere. They are very straightforward and fair. They have a well-balanced mind and spirit. They do not try to deceive others. They know themselves and do not try to come off as someone they are not. They don't put on a show. If they hurt others, it'll be to help that person out. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the red subscribe button below. Don't forget the bell icon. Remember, when you're drafting your resume, you wish to look like somebody the interviewer would want to hire. You want to look professional, invaluable, dependable, and capable. At the same time, you do not want to hide your weaknesses to misguide the recruiter. Now let's see what this word really says. Honest is a mere describing word, an adjective. It tells about you. Actually, even a fraudster will call himself honest. You need to tell about your action, what you did to benefit the company you were employed in. So you need to back up your claim with your achievements. Give the recruiter some metrics. See, what you wish to say is, you can be trusted with the company's most precious property, you have the company's best interests in your mind, and you will pull in the same direction as the management. How do you say all these things in your resume? You use action words. And some of the action words that go with honest are trusted with, believed in, counted on, etc. And then you write about how the management placed its trust in you to do complicated or even confidential tasks. Tell them what you did and how the company benefited from it, if possible. Give the rupee value as well. But be careful not to divulge any classified information. Let's look at how this would appear on your resume. I was entrusted with all cash collections from all the 15 city outlets and deposited them in the bank the next morning. The total collections were well over ₹1 million each day. Or here's another one. Was entrusted with the responsibility of finalizing all high-value deals with foreign clients. Now note the use of figures in the first one. 15 outlets, ₹1 million. Specific information, cash collections. And the nature of benefit, honest execution. Now, this honest execution is understood, so it's not mentioned over there. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.